Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to USDC video update. Now I'm getting quite bullish with USDC. Okay, I'm really enjoying what USDC is doing right now. And this fractal, yes, could be repeating last time we talked about it. And that fractal actually, you do have this three black cross to the downside. You had an inverted hammer, and that was a bullish ladder bottom right there. And from here, you really pushed to the moon. So next week, we might expect some big push for USDC once again, because you're pretty much doing the same thing. Three black crows, inverted hammer right there. So that's a bullish ladder bottom on a weekly, and that's quite bullish, to be honest with you. And you might expect next week to absolutely take over for USDC. Now we do have a little bit of support resistance going on right here. So what I want to do is basically I just want to remove some of the drawings here. Actually, let me remove them back, and I'm going to remove that one right there, this one right over here, and that one right over there. Right, so you do have some sort of a pattern that you broke out. If you went down like this, broke it out, and you came back, and you're holding this level as a retest. So tomorrow you can actually get some nice entry opportunities down here, and you can actually get lucky on a weekly using some few stop losses. I will even say that you don't want to come down to 2815. If it does actually become if it comes down, there could be a quick wick for a stop loss hunt and then go to the upside, but you don't want to close below like this and fizzle out. So that's the scenario you want to avoid completely. Let's dive into the 4-hour time frame as well and talk about this one. So on the 4-hour time frame, it came down, and you can see pretty much that there was a technical target of this double top on the 15 minutes time frame. It did play out. It did came down here, and you pretty much are bouncing from this level right now, and then you're still continuing to the downside, but I highly doubt if you're going to continue to drop lower. You could actually just come down here, kiss this line again as a support, and then finally move to the upside. It does look really good to me on a weekly time frame. I do expect it to end up pushing to the upside as well next week. And that's pretty much it for this update on USDC. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.